What is going on, YouTube? It's Flu here with Shaggy.
How we doing? How we doing?
So, for today's video, as you can see, we are opening some Champions Path. We got an ETB, and then we also have 3 out of the 4 pin collections. We got the Baloney, as I like to call it, Gym Pin.
Yep.
We got the Spike Moth, and then also the Hammerlock.
And those are 3 packs each, bringing the total of 19 packs.
So there's 10 packs in the ETB.
So just over what would be equivalent to half a booster.
Yes. And without further ado, I'm going to crack into the Champions Path Elite Trainer box.
I love the art on this box, man. Love it.
I'm sure you guys have seen Elite Trainer boxes being opened, but if you haven't, once you take that sleeve off, you got a nice little book right here. Basically tells you how to play the card game, along with what cards are available in the set. And obviously, we are either going for that shiny Charizard or the Rainbow Rare Charizard VMAX. But I will be happy with almost anything. And if you guys didn't know, there's actually a little art gallery on that sleeve if you open it, hanging on your wall or something cool. And then once you open the ETB, I like how they have that divider in there, keep everything nice and separate. Protected. Yeah.
Yep.
You have your
they get moved around.
10 packs. Little guide. Some pins and some dice and damage pins. Or counters, whatever you want to call them. Some dividers for the ETB.
Really cool dividers, too.
Some energy cards. Sleeves. You also get a code card. I'm not going to be showing that in this video. That will probably be for one of our streams. And then you also get that full art promo. I already have 2 of them. So let's get cracking. I'm going to stand these up so they are out of the camera a little bit. Got a Dreadnought VMAX as the first pack art.
First pack.
You want to save them or you want to show them in the video?
Let's save them.
Okay. First pack, we got a Water Energy. Make sure you guys stay hydrated. Pokemon Center Lady. Turffield Stadium. Hop. Carvanha. Potion. Vulpix. Machop. Roly-Coly. Reverse Rotom Phone. And a Holo Hatrine. Right, let's see what we got in the next pack. Another Water Energy.
Hey.
Piers.
Got his trend going here.
Malamar. Sharpedo. Hatina. Kakuna. Rockruff. Vulpix. Potion. Reverse Murny. And a Holo Scrafty.
What's up, Scrafty? Very nice.
Got a Galarian Obstagoon for the next pack art. Get that out of the way. I suppose you want to save those. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Let's go, let's go.
Got a Dark Energy. Suspicious Food Tin. There actually is a gold card for that.
There is.
Victini.
I wouldn't mind pulling that.
Hyper Potion, no, for sure. Hatina, Nickit, Inkay, Roly-Coly, Weedle, and a Holo Murny.
Very nice.
I love how they did it.
Gotta
so
love pulling Marnie.
There's a holo in every pack. I love how they did that. Oh no, it's getting mixed in. Almost wish they'd do that for every set, but if they did, it just would not be the same. Da, 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 2, 3, and 4. I'm gonna go with a grass energy.
Hey, very nice call.
Arbok, Bead, Machoke, Nickit, Machop, Ekans, Swablu, Inkay, Reverse Ekans, and a Gardevoir. Definitely take that.
Yeah, that's a very nice pull.
I'm gonna put the polls in the background.
I like that Marnie too. Gotta
Yeah,
love pulling a Marnie
For
card.
sure. That Fall Art Marnie's pretty cool too.
Still got a stack of packs sitting there too.
Yeah, I know.
Dude.
What is this? I got 5 left after this one.
Wow. And then you still have a pin collection box to open yet. Another 3 packs.
Electric Energy,
Hey,
Sharpedo. Arbok, Kabu, Galarian Zigzagoon, Vulpix, Rockruff, Purloin, Galarian Lanoon, Reverse Galarian
Hey.
Zigzagoon, and another Hollow
Very
Hatterene.
nice.
You go there. You go there.
Let's go. See some magic. Oh, that's a cool art right off the bat.
That Kakuna.
Yeah, you'll see it when we get to this Kakuna. Such a cool art.
Fighting Energy, Team Yell Grunt, Rotom Phone, Milo. There's that Kakuna he was talking about, just chilling in a tree. Roly-Coly, Trubbish, Potion, Galarian Lanoon, Reverse Machop,
Nice Machop.
and
Hey!
a Hollow Machamp.
Love to see that reverse going into the evolution like that. All the way from Machop to Machamp. Very nice.
Throw the cards. Alright,
Here we go.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
Let's see it. Let's see it.
Fire Energy. We're
There's
playing
that
with me like
Machoke. There's that Machoke we were missing.
Tears, Malamar, Ekans, Kakuna, Nickit, Swablu, Machop, Roly-Coly, and Professor's Research.
Hollow.
Oh, you got a
It is
tease?
really nice that it's a hollow every pack.
Yeah, I love that.
Yep. One of the best things about this set is that fact right there. And the cards that are in it.
And it's not that hard to complete the set because it is a
No.
pretty small set too.
Yep.
You know, other than like that Charizard, because he just doesn't want to come out.
Quattro
Another Psychic Energy.
Psychic.
Victini, Hatterene,
Another Malamar.
Malamar, Patina, Swablu, Scraggy, Carvana, Galarian Lanoon, Reverse Baiday, and a Hollow
Very
Lycanroc.
nice Lycanroc.
Gotta love Lycanroc.
Yeah, that's an awesome card right there. Very nice pull.
Get back up there. Alright. Down to 2 packs left in this ETB.
What else is in there?
See if we can pull
There
any
should
more.
be another V in there. There's gotta be. Let's go, let's
You
go.
think? At least, you think. If I can get this pack open.
It's a good card if they sealed it that good.
True.
That's all that means,
It's
man.
It's gotta be.
Here we go.
What do you think the energy card is, guys? I'm gonna go with Dark. Ooh,
Oh.
Steel. Milo.
Arbok.
Bead. Weedle. Galarian Zigzagoon. Rockruff. Volbeat. Scraggy. Reverse Absol. I like that. Going into an Eldegoss Bead. box to that Gardevoir.
Very, very nice.
Last pack for the ETB here.
Here we go. Dive straight into it.
If you guys are curious on why we are not showing the code cards, is we saved them for the stream. We opened booster boxes and a bunch of other stuff on the stream as well. Starting off with a Water Energy, Great Ball, Milo, Turffield Stadium, Sizzlepede, Purloin, Scraggy, Pokeball, Nickit, Reverse Leopard,
very nice.
and Holo Galarian Obstagoon. So that is going to do it for our ETB. Next, we are going to hop into the pin collections.
Here we go.
So I'm going to do the Hammerlock, and then Zach gets the other two. That's how we did it. I've never opened any from these pin collections
Me
before.
either. I seen them and I had to grab them.
Got a nice little Holo Duraludon promo. There is that Hammerlock pin. And then, of course, the 3 packs that come
beautiful
in it.
Champions Pack packs.
Toss that to the side. Oh, code card came with it too.
Very nice.
Alright, let's see the pull rate of these pin boxes.
It's gonna be something fire right off the bat here.
Think so?
Yep.
Got a Fighting Energy, Sonia, Suspicious Food Tin,
Piers.
Roly-Coly, Full Heal, Potion,
Oh, awesome
Vulpix.
Vulpix card.
Rockruff, Reverse Sizzlepede, Holo Lycanroc.
Another Lycanroc. So
Definitely not going to complain, especially since every pack does have a guaranteed holo.
very nice.
Just wish they would have
I
put...
like Lycanroc.
I do too. I wish they would have put a few more holos in there, though. 'Cause
Yeah,
It's really easy to double up on holos.
that's true. The Lycanroc card is a very nice one, but
It is. Grass Energy, Malamar, Hatreem,
gotta
Victini,
love Victini.
Inkay, Pokeball, Purloin, Weedle, Galarian Zigzagoon, Reverse Professor's Research, and a Holo Altaria. They stuck together.
Yeah.
Hopping into the final pack for the first
Here we
pin
go.
collection box.
Last pack. Gonna be something great.
1, 2,
Gonna be
3,
something great in here.
4. Electric Energy, Kabu, Arbok, Sharpedo, Roly-Poly, Kakuna, Galarian Zigzagoon, Carvana,
It's crazy.
Scraggy, Reverse Arbok,
Oh,
going into a full art.
full
Hop.
art. That's what I'm talking about.
Especially being
That's what I'm talking about.
every pack. These pin collections so far are not disappointing.
We'll see what we get when we dive into the next two, but pull a full art, you have
Those
to be
are gonna-
happy.
You open those.
Very nice.
Excuse us while we switch over.
All right, so we got Spikemouth and, as Jay likes to say, the Baloney Gym. Baloney Gym. So, these are really nice. And they're going to give me a really nice card. All right. Dive right into the Spikemouth here. There's the badge over there. Pin. And the promo. Galarian Obstagoon. Which, of course, as all promos, I hate how they put those in there.
I hate how they package them.
And 1, 2, and 3 Champions Path. And a code card. Set this right over here by this one. Alright. This might actually be the first Champions Path booster pack I've ever opened.
Really?
It might be.
I don't remember you opening any Champions Path.
Me either. 1, 2, 3, and 4. See if that brings some sort of luck here. Because I believe this really is my first pack of Champions Path I've ever opened. Victini, Absol, Galarian Zigzagoon, Inkay, Pokeball, Purloin, Rito, Team Yellow Reverse, and Incineroar V. Beautiful card. Look at that. Very nice.
I think Incineroar is my favorite V card out of this set.
You think so?
I think so.
Yeah, very nice. Dive into the second pack from the Spikemouth collection. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Another electric. Milo. Rotom Phone. Team Yellgrunt. A lot of trainers. Sometimes you get good pulls if you get a lot of trainers like that. Sizzlepede. Pokeball. Inkay. Reverse Sonia. And a Hatterene Hollow. It's the third time now pulling that. No complaints though, of course. So we did get one V already out of this collection. Put the Galarian Obstagoon promo and Hatterene up there with the rest. See what we can do here. Fire. Kabu. Arbok. Sharpedo. Pokeball. Inkay. Vulpix. I love this Vulpix. Potion. Ekans. Centiskorch. And a Grapplot. Very nice.
That's pretty good. That was out of that same...
That's a full art too.
Yeah.
That's out of that one collection. Wow. Incineroar. And that full art Grapplot. Very nice.
We got one top loader left.
One top loader left. That's pretty good so far for 16 packs. Here's the Baloney Gym. Valiantly with a creamy promo. And the last 3 packs of this Champions Path opening, along with this code card. Here we go.
Wall of hollows.
Here we go. See what we can pull here. Psychic, Milo, Hatterene, Beedrill. I think that's the first Beedrill we've seen. Nickit, Kakuna, Ekans, Scraggy, Full Heal, Reverse Full Heal, and Gardevoir VMAX. Oh man, that's a heavy hitter coming out of the first pack of this collection box. Wow. All right. Definitely no complaints there with that. Second pack, as we're now out of top loaders. Well, we have more. They are just currently at my house. There's that Gardevoir VMAX. and Grass. Hop. Pokemon Center Lady. Suspicious Food Tin. Roly-Coly. Kakuna. Zigzagoon. Carvana. Scraggy. Team Yell Reverse. And a Dreadnought VMAX. Is that 2 VMAX in a row?
Yes.
Wow. Oh, man. That card's actually got me shaking a little bit. Beautiful card.
Oh,
Oh,
that
man.
is sick. You can go ahead and take that Eldegoss out if you want. Or that top loader.
I'll probably just go like this.
Until you get home.
Yep. Look at that. Back-to-back pulls. That was out of the Belaney collection. The Baloney collection. First 2 packs, 2 VMAXs get pulled. And I will be putting that card in its own top loader as soon as I get home. And the last pack here. Imagine another VMAX. All 3 packs VMAX. Wouldn't that be nuts? I think we could, man. Let's see if we can do that. Hatchrim, Pierce, Sharpedo.
Imagine you get that shiny Charizard out of this
Nintendo.
pack.
Oh my god, dude. With 2 VMAXs to go.
You're like,
with
dude,
it.
don't say that.
Nickit. I'm shaking. Machop. Purloin.
Oh,
Oh,
energy.
That is
dope.
awesome. And
Bring the madness.
an Eldegoss V. Very
That is
nice.
3 pulls out of
One collection box,
collection
guys.
box. That is sick. I suppose you want that energy in it.
Yeah, energy should be definitely sleeved too. Look at that. I love pulling the reverse hollow energies. I mean, they're basically full hollow because of their energy cards. You know?
Yeah.
Wow.
Still, that is sick.
Outstanding.
All right, guys. And that does it for our Champions Path opening.
Didn't get a Charizard, but some awesome pulls.
For sure. Yeah. Make sure you guys check us out on Twitch. It's the same thing as my YouTube. It's just 2 U's instead of 1. And make sure you guys look out for my randomized Nuzlocke videos.
Hit that subscribe, follow us on Twitch, get a chance at winning some of those code cards. We'll give you all the
Or
details
even
during the
cards.
live streams for that.
We also give away cards.
We do give away some cards. None of the giveaways are promoted or endorsed in any way by Twitch or YouTube, but we will explain the rules during the giveaways. Tune into our live streams. Make sure you're hitting that notification so you don't miss any of them.
For sure.
Thanks,
All right.
guys.
Yeah. See ya.